What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Boost. I am actually here at Magarigawa again. I was just here a few weeks ago, but today's a really special day. I'm using the real camera this time because of how special it is. I'm gonna hop out of this car and show you guys. Today's a huge day for Hive. So without further ado, let me hop out of this car, show you guys what we got on the truck. We have the very first Hive Ferrari. Dang, that thing is sexy. I think we're gonna tow this car to the top of Magarigawa and then let it off, and then we'll finally get a good look at it. But for now, she is gorgeous on the truck. Then you have the GTR back there. Ooh, the Hive fleet in Japan is officially 2 cars deep. Woody is here in Japan. Woody, what do you think of the new Ferrari?
Dude, insane. Liberty Walk crushed it on this car. They put all these custom Hive stickers for us. Super appreciative to Kato and Huma.
Oh yeah.
And the whole Liberty Walk family. Thank you guys. We're excited to rip this up today and give it some new badges of honor.
So are you planning on driving that on Magarigawa?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We're here at the private track.
Fucking crazy.
First time driving this car, and it's gonna get tracked day one.
Dude, that's insane. Not only is he tracking a freaking, like, this car has 8,000 miles on it. Like, it's almost brand new. And it's a Silhouette. It's in, I don't know, how's the front bumper? I mean, I guess as long as no one runs with us, we should get no rock chips, but you never know. But yeah, Liberty Walk came through and they actually did these Hive stickers for us. So I sent them the files and then they sent us a freaking render, and it's gorgeous. Like, they did such an amazing job. They even put our Pegasus down here. It's pretty sick. God, this car is beautiful. I saw this at Auto Salon. Looks so much better with Hive on it.
Yeah, no, it's they really did a good job. They kept everything kind of, you know, in tone. And it's got the black inside highlights.
Oh, I haven't even seen the interior yet. I have no pictures of it.
It's got the white stitching.
Ooh.
I mean,
everything matches.
Dude.
That's gorgeous.
It's
the white stitching here. That's crazy. I actually already had this car lined up for a music video.
Nice.
Someone already wants to use it. Also, I love the no step bro. Got a nice 430 here. The Hive Ferrari made it up. I'm gonna put the camera away for now, just until we can get a feel for our permissions. I'll probably rock the iPhone to the small DJI and see what I can get, but once we know what's going on, I'll whip the camera back out. We'll get some sick stuff. Had to get my iPhone out because it came out unexpectedly. Alright, we are back in the car. I am here with Jorge. He is going to drive the GTR to start us off. So we thought we were going to be able to like actually rip the cars today, but is nobody in the car? We thought we could actually drive it, like rip the track today, but it's not really the case. So we have a pace car. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. He's slowing down.
Fuck, so fun, bro. I wish we could just fucking.
Oh, I know, dude. Magarigawa. Switched up, we got Woody rocking the GTR now. Such a dope shot, holy crap. Dope. You gonna air it out for us, bro? Dope. Oh, okay, you're good. Keep going. We put the cars out front so we can get the famous pool shot here. These cars are crazy. Dude, just check out these cars. We officially have 2 Hive cars in Japan. Pretty wild. And they're gorgeous. The Hive livery looks so crazy. We have made it back to Amman, Tokyo. Believe it or not, Woody actually signed up for Magarigawa membership. So now Hive officially has a Magarigawa membership, which is insane. The 458 is sexy as hell, obviously. We're having some air suspension problems, so that needs to get switched over to Fibbin Engineering. It is like it's just not working properly. We don't know what the hell's going on. But we're gonna go get some dinner. If we go to do car meet stuff, then this vlog is not over. If we don't, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I love you, and I'll see you later. Nice video. Bro, they got the Pokeball on the frickin' screen. American flag. Happy birthday, Woody. Poppers.